How to use video for incoming calls on Android phone. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use video for your incoming calls on your Android phone. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you use video for incoming calls on your Android phone? It's very simple. All you need to do is come to your phone app. From here guys, come to these settings. Click on that settings, guys. You can see under these settings we have a lot of options. We have flash for calls, auto call recording, then my video show. You can just go ahead and click on my video show. You can see if you want a video from the theme store, just come to this theme store, click on it and choose any of your variable video here. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring out option for you to download. Click on download. Then you have to wait for it to download. Then after downloading, guys, you can just go ahead and click on apply, meaning that whenever you have incoming calls, this video will be showing on your phone. Now let me exit this phone now and give it a call from the other phone here. Can you see this, guys? That is what I'm saying. Then if you have any video of your choice, you have a specific video or a video you like and you want to add it, you can just come back. Then after that, go back. You see this plot sign down here, just click on it. Then take you to your gallery just straight up. You can just go ahead and click on your favorite video. Then you can see importing local video. Just go ahead and click on apply. Can you see it, guys? Now let's exit this page and give it a call and see how it will look like. Can you see it, guys? So whenever you have any incoming calls, that is how the video will be showing on your Android phone. That is how to add video or use video for incoming calls on Android phone. If you find this video so helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and share with more people. Turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.